Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Now today's video we're doing a mini Black Friday haul. Basically I'm showing you guys all the hair products I bought during that Black Friday Thanksgiving Day sale. So let's go ahead, jump in, show you guys what I got. I'm missing one product, but you know, the show must go on. So I'm gonna go in categories of what came in first. And the first item was this right here, which is Hot Heads. It's a thermal hair cap. So this is completely random. I wasn't gonna buy this whatsoever. I mean, I've thought about it before, but that wasn't on my little to-do list. But I saw that it had 25% off, and I was like, listen, is it there now or never? So that's why I got it. So let's go ahead and show you guys. Oh, this thing is heavy, first of all. Like this thing, I hit Anthony with it and he was like, oh, that kind of hurts. Yeah, this is how it looks. To be honest, they were all ugly. If I'm going to keep it real, this is my opinion. They were all ugly. They have weird colors.
I mean, it's a cat.
Yeah, I know it was a cat, but I wanted something completely simple.
Yeah,
like
they should have a colorful.
I would just have this.
Or a blue.
Or blue, yeah.
A solid color.
Or like glitter.
Just solid colors.
Yeah, like solid color. This is like the most nicest one out of everything
one of them
there.
Like skulls, I think.
Yeah,
I don't know. I could be imagining.
I don't know.
Flames or something.
But yeah, I got this one. This is really gonna help step up my deep conditioning game up because I always wanted to add heat to it. So got this. This is the best looking one out of everything. I'm not really a fan of leopard, or cheetah print, whatever print this is, but it's cool. Moving on. So the next product I have here is by Curls and Potion, and it's this little hair mister. So it says Thirsty Hair Revitalizing Tea Hair Refresher Mist. So the reason why I got this is because I needed a new hair tonic. So if you guys saw my curly hair routine, before I like to put my styler, which is my leave-in conditioner, I like to put some kind of hair mist, some kind of hair tonic in my hair, duh. That's gonna help promote hair growth. And the reason why I got this is because of the ingredients mostly. As you guys can see, it has rosemary extract, it has aloe vera juice, grapeseed oil, fenugreek. Like, it has so many good things in it that are gonna help promote like healthy hair, healthy scalp. So that's the reason why I got it, and it smells good too. Yeah, it smells good. It has like that orange, very seductive scent. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells really good. So those are the two items that I got first. Yesterday I got 2 more packages, but I didn't open it. I wanted to do like a little unboxing with you guys. So let's go ahead and show you guys the other stuff that I have. So we have this right here. Open it up. These are so rusty. These scissors are okay. Business card. Okay, so this is by Main Crush. Oh, she really stepped it up. This is really nice, a business card. So this is the second time I'm purchasing from this hair brand. Thank you. So this is what I got here. What did I get? I got the Restore. That's what I got. This is always fun to play with. This is the item that I got here. It says Restore. It says Relieve Itchy, Flaky Scalp, Balances Scalp pH, Treats Scalp Condition, maintain a healthy scalp. So the reason why I got this is because of the ingredients. I feel like throughout this video, I'm going to be mentioning that I got something because of the ingredients. I'm that type of person where I'm like, is there aloe vera in it? What's the ingredients looking like? So I really like to focus on that. But in it, it has aloe vera juice, it has dandelion root, has lemongrass, tea tree, has rosemary, has peppermint. So many good things that are going to help with my itchy scalp and just balance my pH, exactly what it states here. And I like the little nozzle. What's the smell? I feel like I'm moving really fast in this review. Sorry. Oh, this is strong. Oh, this is strong. I wasn't expecting this. Oh, I feel like if I smell it, like, I'm not going to be sick ever in my life. Like, this is just going in and out.
Can I smell?
Is this healthy to smell it? Like, I'm like, take a deep breath in and out, Anthony.
That is strong.
Very
Does that have
minty.
tea tree oil?
You know it does.
It smells like tea tree.
I smell the lemon though.
Yeah, you smell everything.
It's like a whole blend of stuff, but I feel like your nose is open.
Yeah, like I could breathe.
Good, good. So that's what I got here. Restore Main Crush. It's an Instagram brand that I saw online, and yeah, you can only purchase this online. Is it leaking? Okay, it's not. This one here, I know what this is. It's so funny. You see this big blank package, and you're gonna see the little baby thing I got inside. Imagine like it's not what I ordered. That's what I think sometimes when I do some unboxing on camera. I'm like, what if they send me something completely random, like worms, like something like really weird that you're like, yo, I didn't order that. Yo, this is really big. I wish they gave me a sample. This is the nicest unboxing. It says thank you. You're really gonna be like, wow, all that for this? I got a mess going on. I got a brand new edge control. So this is by Up North Naturals. You guys should know that I like this. This is my second time buying this. And, oh, they changed the packaging up. Oh, they hooked it up. Has like that cherry scent. But I really like this edge control. As you guys can see, my hairstyle today looks a little bit crazy. My edges are, where are they? Because the edge control that I'm currently using has no hold whatsoever. So the reason why I got this is because it has a little bit more hold, and I really like this one. I like the ingredients, keyword of the video, and all that good stuff. So it says Up North Naturals Healthy Edge Smoothing Gel, castor oil, and rosemary to promote a healthy hairline. Healthy hairline? Yeah, healthy hairline. So I really like that. This packaging is like official. Okay, let me tell you about the hair product that didn't make it in the video because it's still processing, and it's by Miche. Let me make sure I'm reading everything right. Let me go straight from the website. And it is the bestseller Indulge Deep Conditioner. They said that it's going to take 10 to 15 business days to process it. And I can say that company is very honest because it is taking that long. A lot of people probably bought like multiple items. Like they bought 3 here, 2 here, 5 here. I only bought 1 deep conditioner and it's literally going to take me 10 to 15 business days. So I'm not mad at that, but I really want my conditioner. You guys have mentioned it before that I should try the specific leave-in conditioner. No, this specific deep conditioner out, and I listened to you guys, so I definitely bought this during the Black Friday sale, and I'm excited to try it out. So now let's move into, I've ordered something on Amazon. Let's go ahead and see what I got because I forgot what I got. And since this is an unboxing, I might as well show you what I got. Now we'll get the box cutter. So what does Elizabeth buy from Amazon? Good question. She buys random stuff. So I got me. So I bought here some sheet mask. This is by My Beauty Diary. It's a Taiwanese company and I like their sheet mask. I like it. Hyaluronic acid. Yes. And then I only got 2 things. I got 3 eyebrow pencils. This is like my favorite Holy Grail eyebrow pencil. It's by L'Oreal and it's the Brow Stylist Definer. I get it in dark brunette. I actually did a first impression / review on this on my channel. So if you guys want to see how my eyebrows looked over a year ago, how thick they were, you guys can definitely check that out. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I bought during Black Friday and just a random Amazon haul. Now I really want to know, what are some of the things that you bought during Black Friday or that Thanksgiving sale week? Did you guys buy anything cool? Was there any sales that you guys picked up? Let me know. I'm so surprised that I didn't buy a leave-in conditioner or a styler. I mainly focus on like a healthy scalp and just like random stuff, but I really wish I picked up a leave-in conditioner. So if you guys know any good leave-in conditioners, preferably from a small business. I don't know if you've noticed, but most of the items I got here was like from a small Black-owned business. I think it was women-owned as well. And I'm gonna definitely do a first impression on that hair mask whenever it arrives in like March. And I'll definitely film a video for you guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Whoa. I don't know what I'm doing. Help!
What's your hand? That's
Well,
your
this
pad.
look like a...
Oh, what's that? A shoulder pad?
Trying to do a thumbnail, like, how do I put everything in there? Should I wear it? Oh my god. I was breathing. Biggest haul ever!
All in one
Must see, a
box.
must see for 2018.